Samsung may be about to make one of the Galaxy S27 Ultra's most recognizable design changes in years, and honestly, it's not necessarily a change fans were asking for. The Galaxy S27 Ultra is widely rumored to lose one of its rear cameras, with the 3x telephoto apparently being the camera on the chopping block. But removing a camera is only part of the story. The bigger surprise could be what Samsung does with the space left behind. Thanks to tipster Ice Universe, we now have a much clearer idea of what the Galaxy S27 Ultra could look like from the back, and the latest design is already getting a lot of attention. A line drawing shared by the tipster was followed by renders and realistic-looking AI-generated images showing the possible rear design. And the first thing you'll notice is that Samsung could be moving away from the extremely clean camera arrangement we've become familiar with on the Ultra series. Instead, the phone appears to feature a large rectangular camera plateau, and strangely, a significant portion of that rectangle seems to be nothing more than empty space. Inside it, we get two circular camera cutouts along with a vertical pill-shaped housing. Put those elements together, and there's an unexpected resemblance to the Honor Win Turbo, a much more affordable phone that launched earlier this year. And that comparison is exactly why some people aren't impressed. The interesting part is that according to the latest information, Samsung may not actually be changing the internal camera arrangement that dramatically. Most of the cameras from the Galaxy S26 Ultra are apparently staying roughly where they are. The biggest change could be the 5x telephoto moving to the side. That sounds relatively minor, but because the 5x camera reportedly uses a much larger sensor than the current 3x telephoto, its housing could become more prominent, and that may be one of the reasons Samsung is considering a different physical arrangement. But there's a problem. If the internal hardware has barely changed, why does the camera area suddenly need such a huge rectangular plateau? That's the question behind much of the negative reaction to these latest renders. Galaxy Ultra phones have actually built part of their identity around minimalism. Instead of hiding everything inside one enormous camera island, Samsung has traditionally kept the individual lenses visually separated, creating a cleaner and more distinctive look. And that's why earlier Galaxy S27 Ultra design leaks were received much more positively. Previous renders suggested a horizontal camera island with a minimalist appearance, somewhat reminiscent of the Pixel lineup. That design divided opinions, but it still looked relatively clean. This new concept is almost the opposite. You have a large rectangular area, several camera elements concentrated inside it, and plenty of unused-looking space surrounding them. And interestingly, there were suggestions that Samsung might need to rearrange the internals to accommodate Qi 2 magnetic charging, but according to the latest information, the wireless charging coil could simply have been shifted a few millimeters lower, creating enough room for the magnets. So that leaves Samsung with another big question: why make the camera plateau this large? Of course, there's an important catch. Nothing has officially confirmed that this large rectangular camera plateau actually exists on Samsung's current engineering prototypes. In other words, the renders could be showing one possible design rather than the final Galaxy S27 Ultra, and that distinction is extremely important because the public reaction could be completely different if Samsung ultimately keeps the cleaner design we've seen in previous leaks. There's also another visual issue to consider. With the larger 5x telephoto sensor, Samsung may have to make its smaller pill-shaped housing protrude further from the back of the phone. So Samsung could be facing a choice between two things: keeping the rear design as minimal as possible, or giving that larger 5x camera enough physical space to fit properly. And that may explain why the camera layout is changing in the first place. The Galaxy S27 Ultra is still several months away, with the official launch expected in the first quarter of 2027, so there's plenty of time for Samsung to change the engineering design before production. But if these latest leaks are even remotely accurate, Samsung's biggest challenge may not be the missing 3x camera. It may be figuring out how to make the Galaxy S27 Ultra look like a true Ultra flagship without turning its camera system into a giant rectangle on the back. And if Samsung really does go with this design, the question won't simply be whether the new camera setup is better. It'll be whether Samsung has sacrificed one of the Galaxy Ultra's biggest design advantages, its clean, minimalist appearance, just to make room for a camera arrangement that may not actually be that different underneath. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome tech content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.